That's actually a two-pronged question, because the exposure itself may be covered under one theory of workers' compensation law, and an actual diagnosis of COVID would also be covered, but under a different kind of theory of workers' comp law. If you have a confirmed diagnosis, then obviously what we're going to do is process that as a first report of injury, and ask that the employer acknowledge that as being a work-related condition. Benefits that would flow from an actual diagnosis would include all needed medical care, medication, and lost wages. And the Workers' Comp Act will actually also dovetail over the Families First Coronavirus Response Act, which is the federal legislation. And there are some interesting questions about that I'll deal with in another question. If you're simply exposed, though, to coronavirus and you're forced to quarantine during a period post-exposure and you're not diagnosed, there's a very limited theory of potential recovery under the Work Comp Act, and potentially that could implicate the lost wage payments for the period of time that you're out of work. Again, there could be some overlap, though, with the federal legislation.